arrived here? What's happened here over the last couple of hours?
Well, we had some warning they were coming, so we put out the word to all our friends, and we had about 40-50 people turn up, and different people took different actions. It's very interesting to see lots of groups forming, getting together, having ideas, and in different ways they managed to halt the felling work that you can see going on behind us now. These guys have only been able to start after about 3.5 hours of delay. So apart from anything else, that means one tree could have been felled at that time and it wasn't.
So, have been arrested, is that correct?
It was astonishing. At the point when we thought we'd used up all the ideas we had for being obstructive, for preventing it happening, including a mass movement of about 30 people into the work zone at risk of being arrested. And the police had told everyone, look, if you don't get out of the way, we're going to haul you off. And most people, of course, didn't want to get arrested. And then suddenly 7 people just stepped forward, including a city councillor, Alison Teal. And they stepped forward and said, no, we're not going to put up with this. And they went and sat under the tree and said, you're going to have to arrest us before you chop this tree down. And that's what happened.